नमस्कार प्यारे बच्चों। आज लाइब्रेरी की ऑनलाइन क्लास में हम जानेंगे कि एक इंग्लिश बुक का रिव्यू कैसे लिखा जाता है। जैसे कि आप मेरी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हो कि फॉर्मेट लिखा हुआ है। फॉर्मेट बिल्कुल सेम रहेगा जैसे कि मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था, जिसमें हमने हिंदी में पुस्तक समीक्षा कैसे लिखी जाती है ये डिस्कस किया था। अब यहाँ पे फॉर्मेट का मीडियम बदल गया है, यानी आपके सारे पॉइंट्स, ये इंग्लिश बुक है तो पॉइंट्स भी इंग्लिश में आएंगे। तो आप देख रहे हैं फर्स्ट पॉइंट है नेम ऑफ द बुक। यहाँ आपको बुक का नाम लिखना है। एंड देन सेकेंड इज ऑथर। सेकेंड पॉइंट में आप उस बुक के ऑथर का नाम लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज पब्लिशर। हियर यू हैव टू राइट द पब्लिकेशन डिटेल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर बुक। नेक्स्ट इज लाइब्रेरी एक्सेशन नंबर. As I already told you in my previous video, what is the library accession number? Basically, it's a unique number that we provide to a book. नेक्स्ट इज कॉस्ट. कॉस्ट यू ऑलरेडी अवेयर कि कहाँ लिखा रहता है बुक्स में. फिर आपका नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है अबाउट द बुक. यहाँ आपको क्या लिखना है, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बुक पॉइंट है. हियर यू हैव टू राइट द समराइज फॉर्म ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑफ दैट बुक. नेक्स्ट इज ओवरऑल इम्प्रेशन, मतलब आपको बुक कैसी लगी. इट इज़ अ गुड बुक, इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग or not, you like it or not. All these points comes under this point. And the last point that आपको लिखना है, जिस बच्चे ने इस बुक को पढ़ा है, नेम ऑफ द रीडर, इस पाठक का नाम, जिस बच्चे ने इसको पढ़ा वो अपना नाम यहाँ लिखे और अपनी क्लास को मेंशन करे. तो ये था आपका बुक रिव्यू का पूरा फॉर्मेट. आई होप कि फॉर्मेट आपको क्लियर हो गया है. नाउ अब हम इंग्लिश की एक बुक लेते हैं और इस पॉइंट्स को अच्छी तरीके से समझने का प्रयास करते हैं. Dear student, as you see on my computer table, I have a book and it's basically your library book. I just show you the barcode sticker. You can see this is the barcode sticker. This is the barcode sticker and your library name is also mentioned here. See the library KV Sorkan, and this is the library extension number, the unique number that I discussed with you. So let's move the title page because maximum number of information of any particular book is mentioned in that page only. So here's the title page. In the title page you can see our first point, name of the book. See, our first point was name of the book. Now the name of the book is mentioned over here in bold letter, Panchtantra. And the author name is also mentioned here, Yogesh Joshi. And these stories are adapted by Amitash Bhatt's stories. So adaptation is taken here from Ashmitas Bhatt. Illustrations means कि इस स्टोरी में जितने भी पिक्चर्स हैं वो किनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, वो महेंद्र मिस्त्री का कंट्रीब्यूशन है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज पब्लिकेशन डिटेल्स. So here you can see the publication detail. Navneet is the publisher of this book. Cost is also mentioned here. This is 40 rupees. Now about the book. अब हमें ये देखना है कि अबाउट द बुक इस इंग्लिश स्टोरी का कैसे लिखा जाएगा. तो आप इसका बुक रिव्यू अबाउट द बुक कुछ इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. बिकॉज ये इंग्लिश की बुक है इसीलिए मैं आपको इंग्लिश में समझाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. So in this story there are the 6 stories. All stories are very interesting and all stories are very good, but among these stories I like one story very much, that is Ghost, the thief and the ghost. In this story there was a Brahmin who had a 2 cow. One is brown and other is white. Both cow gave plenty of rich milk, so a thief was tempted to steal them. So one day he decided that he will come and steal the cows. So that day has come now. It was about midnight and it was a dark pitch black night. The thief tipped down to the Brahman's house to steal a cow. Suddenly someone tapped on his back and shoulder. The thief was turned, and what did he see? He see a huge jet black human figure stood in front of him. The thief said, Who are you? I'm a ghost, said the figure truthfully. Then thief asked him, who are you? The ghost said that I am a ghost. The ghost said to thief, where do you intend to steal tonight? Pointing to Brahman's backyard, the thief said, today, tonight, I will steal the Brahman's cow, and I intend to take the Brahman away, said the ghost. Then the ghost and the thief came to the Brahman's house. They waited there for the Brahman's family to fast asleep. After some time, the thief and the ghost waited till the lamp of the house was put off. The ghost said, while you are stealing the cow, one of them may moo loudly, so wake up. And this make the Brahman wake up. Therefore, I have a suggestion. Let me take the Brahman away first. Then you can easily steal the cow. This make the thief angry. He said, no, I will go first. Then Ghost said, no, it's my turn first. Both were annoyed with each other. They were so angry that they did not realize that what they were saying and doing. The thief shouting and saying, hey Brahman, wake up quickly. The ghost and hey Brahman, wake up quickly. The ghost has come to take away. The ghost too shouted, saying, wake up, O Brahman, this thief is here to steal your cow. This made the Brahman's son awakened by the noise outside. He began to cry. Then the Brahman lit the lamp. The thief and the ghost run away, and soon they are disappeared into the dark. So this is the very interesting and in fact the very funny story. In fact the very funny story, and overall impression you can write over here. That story is very funny, interesting, and book is full of pictures and language is very easy to understand. I like this story of this book very much, and I would prefer every student to read it once. So this is the all about the book review of an English book Panchtantra. In the next point you can write your name and your class over here. So students, I hope that you will understand the book review. If you have any confusion, please comment me. Thanks for the watching. Stay home, stay protected.